Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. Feels good. Give it a try. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're going to replace the fog lights on a 2015 SUBARU OUTBACK. These are the regular halogens, and they're just not as bright. And so I went through the motions. I snagged these. They're LED. There's the SKU and the part number if you wanted it. They're super bright. Put this brand in for the regular headlights, and what a night and day difference. So super easy actually. There's if you pop 2 grommets off, one grommet out. So what I'm using, guys, to get the grommets out, there is a special little like fork hook tool. I do not have it, and it's pretty easy. A little bit more time consuming, but you take a flathead screwdriver, shove it in there, pulls it down. I just grab it with a needle nose and pull it out. Let's take out one more, and then we'll reach up in there. And that one came out super easy. I think the other one just had a bunch of dirt and it wouldn't allow it to be pulled, but right in here. Just pull this out a little bit. And right in here. So that right there is the fog light. So all you got to do is just twist it, pop it out, pull the old one out, and put in the new one, twist it in. As you can see, that's all I'm doing is reaching my hand up in there, and then just push the lever and it comes right out. That's the new bulb. Just take it and it lines up. There's a little, just so you know, see how there's a little tooth in there, lines up, or it slides right in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it lines right up. You just slide it in, snaps in. That's the lever in the back. And then all you got to do is just reach up in there, stick it in the hole, and twist it. Of course, I'm doing it blind. I'm trying to get the tooth. There's 2 grooves, and you got to get it to line up in there. And of course, I'm doing it left-handed. I'm right-handed. There you go. It's locked in. And then all you got to do is just take and put this little flap back inside, like that. And then just take the grommets and shove the grommets back in. And then push it up, snaps in. And then push it up, it snaps in, and it's good to go. All we gotta do is just test the light to make sure it works, and we'll get on to the next one. Yep, works good. Got the LED going, making life easier. Alright guys, we're back. We're doing a driver's side now real quick. Again, the 2 grommets. I use a flathead, small flathead to get in there. Just pop it down. There we go. Flap, get the flap open up. Okay, this will then put the bulb. There we go. Okay. Just so you can see, guys, that little tooth in there connects right into the other one, and that's the key. So it lines up and it snaps in, and then you're golden. It's just a matter of getting it to line back up to twist it in. Like that. That's it, guys. I'll just check it one more time to make sure this side works. There you have it. Alright guys, so that's it. That's doing the fog lights, changing them from halogen to LED on a 2015 Subaru Outback. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Helps you save a little bit of money. Instead of going to a dealer or a garage and having them do it for probably $100 or so, it's not worth it. You can do it yourself. The bulbs, I think the bulbs cost me about $25. Just easier to do it yourself. So hopefully that was good. Don't forget, hard work feels good. Always give it a try. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share. It's free to subscribe, and it makes it easier for me to bring you more videos. All right, until next time, guys. I'll catch up with you later.